pressure that's keeping it down there. So it may feel like, oh, it's about to stick or something like that, but it's not, because it's that pressure that actually placed it. See?
Ooh, that's pretty.
And that's in there. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today we are gonna make some custom shorts. I got these shorts from the wholesale store that you've seen in the last video, the A to Z store. They actually have these cool basketball shorts. These are like the new Jordan shorts. They're really inspired by that. They have a bunch. They have this style and then they have another style. So definitely go check out that video if you want to see what are the style basketball shorts that they have. Go get them up because summer is ending, so I don't know how long they're gonna have them. But my wife, she's making this awesome full color mental health is important shirt. She's doing this for her VSG channel to she kind of touches on mental health and what it's like to go through losing a bunch of weight with that surgery. So definitely go check out that channel. And we're about to press up this. So she's just getting the press ready. We seen somebody today, somebody was using one of those Cricut handheld presses. Those presses, don't use that press, right? Don't use that press if you are pressing DTF transfers. I don't care if it's our transfers or somebody else's. Do not use that press. Go ahead and invest. That thing probably costs like $100. Go ahead and spend the other $50 and get you a full size 15 by 15 inch press. And then, cause this thing right here can put a lot of pressure, and that's really the key. The heat as well, around 310, 312. But the pressure from the press is what's really the best thing that you want to use whenever you're pressing our transfers. Let's move our hard drives away from the heat. It's not a good idea. Don't put your hard drives near the heat. But yeah, so she was like, hey baby, you want me to make you some shorts? She found these. I didn't even know that I had them. They were up there. And then she was like, hey, you want me to make you a little, put your logo on there, because I have these just laying around. And this is the benefit of our transfers, especially if you have them at your house. You can print so many things, and then you never know whenever you're going to create an awesome project.
Okay, dang it. I was trying to ask you before you turned on the camera. Okay. Beautiful. Isn't it pretty, the pastel colors? Yeah. Mental health is important. Like Carl said, I am creating a clothing line for my VSG channel. So I'm just kind of starting out, seeing what we got. I definitely think mental health is important. Me, myself, do go through mental health trials and tribulations that my husband has to graciously deal with. Come here, kiss. He's so good, guys. He's so good. So again, like my husband was saying, I do not recommend using a Cricut press for our transfers. Our transfers do...
Not just any DTF transfer.
Well, I'm not speaking for any other transfer but my own. These transfers need pressure. They need pressure all around. So medium pressure, hard pressure, just a pressure that you can't completely get with a Cricut press. You are in control of that pressure. Sometimes we don't have the pressure in our body that this thing needs. Okay, so we are set at 308, random reason. It's supposed to be 310, but it's going up to 310. There we go, 310, 12 seconds. This is gonna be my Friday shirt for today. Gotta do some errands. Kids going back to school, gotta go pick up school supplies. Gotta let all the mamas know while we're out there shopping crazy for our kids. Mamas, mental health is important. Take care of ourselves. If we don't take care of ourselves, we can't take care of our family.
You need something to blow it off with?
Yeah.
Let me get you. I threw away a lot of stuff.
You threw away stuff?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got something right there.
I just love this. How do you like it on this color shirt?
No, I think that whole color wave is...
You like it?
Yeah, is really
and
dope.
Shout out to A to Z. We went to A to Z wholesale yesterday. Check that video out. It'll be out. And we got us some blank apparel. So if you're interested in high fashion blank apparel, please visit A to Z wholesale. They're on TikTok, Instagram, Google, all of that good stuff. So I got me few shirts. Here we go.
And see, it's that pressure that's keeping it down there. So it may feel like, oh, it's about to stick or something like that, but it's not, because it's that pressure that actually placed it. See?
Ooh, that's pretty.
And that's in there.
No, that
is. It's so soft, you can't even feel it.
I know, it feels like the colors make it softer, but it really doesn't. These colors are just so pretty. So another 6 seconds.
Oh, my bad. There you go.
Ooh,
That's beautiful.
that is nice.
That is a
You
professional
gonna do a
shirt.
transition or no?
If you want to, don't matter.
Pretty. It sure looks kind of
That's
big.
so, you can't even feel it.
Let me see.
It probably is too big for you now that you're so small.
Well, this is the same size. Medium look too small and large look too big. They don't have a medium and a half.
Medium and a half.
Yes.
Guys, that looks, again, go ahead and do this. You know what? Maybe we'll make this one for your video or something like that. I don't know. But go ahead and do this, guys. This, you know what? Let's put this image on the website for free. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep, we can definitely add this to our library. If you guys don't know, we have a whole library right now of free images that we want to continue to build for you guys so that you guys can just come to the website and download. So this image will be on the website. By the time this video drops, this image will be on the website. You guys can go there, download it. It'll already be vectored. You can, maybe, I don't know if we can provide the SVG file for Cricut, but I know we can definitely provide the, what file is it called, babe? AI file.
AI file, PDF. I don't know what file I have it in right now, but I'll have it available for the website.
And in the AI file, they'll be able to change the colors. So you don't have to have these like pastel colors. With the AI file, you'll be able to change all the colors, change the color of the brain, change the color of the lightning bolts. So change the lettering, you'll be able to really do whatever you want. But that came out amazing. Again, people always ask the feel. This right here, you can definitely feel it because it's such a big piece, but it's not like, it's not hard, it's still very soft. And once you wash it, because it's fresh right now, so once you wash it and wear it, it'll get softer over time.
I know, I like it.
No, that's perfect. I think I'm gonna use one. Maybe do like black and white colors or something for a guy.
Oh, okay. You want to do your shorts?
Yeah, let's go ahead and do
Is
mine.
this a good side? I didn't know.
Yeah,
what
this is
side.
perfect.
Okay.
Oh, it's supposed to be on the left side or right side?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's
It don't
look at
matter.
the fabric on this.
Oh,
just
yeah.
so we can let people know. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Well, we purchased this at a Blank Apparel wholesale shop.
Hold on. First off,
What?
we're gonna do is if you want to see these pressed, stay tuned for the next video.
Oh,
Stay tuned for the
Lord,
next
here we
video.
go.
Stay tuned for the next video. If you guys want to see this one pressed, stay tuned for the next video. But guys, go ahead, go to the website, download this image right now.